Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we embark on a soul stirring journey to the Hill of Holy Cross in the enchanting town of Byndoor, Karnataka, India. Nestled amidst nature's bounties, this sacred hilltop offers not only a divine experience but also breathtaking vistas that will leave you awe-inspired. Let's explore this hidden gem together. Pilgrims undertake a serene and contemplative climb up the hill, often during Lent or on Good Friday, to pay their respects and participate in religious ceremonies. The tranquil ambience and panoramic views add to the spiritual experience. Even for non-religious visitors, the Hill of Holy Cross offers a peaceful escape from the outside world, allowing for introspection and an appreciation of the region's cultural and religious heritage. The Hill of Holy Cross holds immense religious significance for Christians. Atop the hill stands a magnificent cross, symbolizing faith, hope, and sacrifice. The location attracts devotees from near and far, seeking solace and spiritual connection. The lush greenery enveloping the hill, dotted with wildflowers and native flora, adds to the charm of the place. The hill is an excellent spot for bird watching, with various species of birds making it their home. The Hill of Holy Cross offers an ideal setting to witness breathtaking sunrises and sunsets, making it a photographer's paradise. Capture the magic of the changing skies as they paint the horizon with vibrant hues. The Hill of Holy Cross in Byndoor is a unique blend of spirituality and natural beauty that captivates every visitor, whether you seek a spiritual retreat, an escape into nature's lap, or a thrilling trekking adventure. This sacred hilltop has something special to offer. So, if you find yourself in the coastal region of Karnataka, don't miss the opportunity to experience the divine charm and panoramic views of the Hill of Holy Cross. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more enriching travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.